Hello everyone, I am Gautam. Welcome back to our YouTube channel Trueway International. Today we are going to discuss about the microbiology coaching. We get a lot of inquiries about this. So I thought making a video about microbiology coaching so you can understand microbiology coaching details very clearly, right? In a way, microbiologist is a profession that any professionals who want to work in the healthcare sector can choose without any hesitations, although it comes under allied health category. This course has very good opportunities in foreign countries. The number of people coming to this course increasing every year. Anyway, if you also want a good job in abroad, attend this course provided by Trueway as soon as possible and face the exam very confidently. So let's see the features of our classes. 35 working day online classes through Zoom. Class time 11 am onward. 2 to 3 hours per day classes. Classes from Monday to Friday. There is a facility to attend the recorded classes according to the candidate's convenient time. You can clear doubts directly with our faculties. Online exams on every Saturday. You can get a profile at the time you join. Exam and mock tests will be conducted through same. Study materials also included. Classes are conducted by the faculty members with more than 15 years experience. We prepare classes for you with 100% successful rate. So you can get admission by contacting our customer care number. To know more about admission fee details, you can directly speak with our admission counselors. So see you with another video. Until then, stay tuned. It's me Gautam. Thank you for watching.